Has life pranked you and your car's AC's not working properly? I'm not laughing. Are you? I'm going to show you how to fix this real quick. You're going to need this tool as well. You need a cheap one. I'll show you that in a minute. Here's my pump. The outside is going to spin, but we want the inside to spin. Mine does, but it's intermittent. It spins, stops. That means it's low. Last year I had good AC. This year it's horrible. It's lukewarm. So if it doesn't spin at all, you might want 2 cans, but mine cuts in and out. I'll probably just need 1. And the filler is right here, right on top. This is very simple. You can get that cap off. Try not to lose it. Start the vehicle, turn the AC on, turn the fan on, turn everything on, and then we're going to fill it. I'm going to show you how mine cuts in and out, and then we're going to show you how it works beautiful in a minute, hopefully. I'll be right back. I can't really do this one-handed, but I'm going to screw this into here nice and tight until it punctures the seal, and we're good. Hold on. Okay, you can see mine spinning. Now in a second it'll stop. See, it stopped. Now it keeps going on and off, on and off. That's not doing any good. I can feel the pipe. There it goes again. And this pipe should be ice cold. It's not. So I'm going to hook up the device. I shake the can. I got a dial on here. It's about 60 degrees today, so I'm going to put on the 60. Let's just put a 70. I'm going to pump it in. As we watch the fan. Now the fan should stay on now. I'm going to let go and I'm going to see where the gauge is. The gauge is low, it's not in the green. Let's keep going. I might need 2 cans, we'll see. Let go. Drop down. Oh, it's getting cold. It's getting ice cold. My pump's staying on. Let's keep going. I got the fan on. I got the AC on the inside. The car's running. We're pumping in the AC. It takes time. When the can gets really cold, I should have put a glove on. You should have safety glasses on, gloves on, to check it. Ooh, it's almost in the green. Check it. Ooh, look at that, almost there. Oh, that's ice cold. Whoa. Alright, I'll be back to you in a minute. You can probably take a few minutes to empty this can, so I'll see it real quick. Alright, it's just about in the green. The fan's staying on. The pipes are ice cold. I'm going to leave it, dry it for a few days, see how it feels. If it's cold, I'm just going to leave it alone. If not, maybe I'll add some more. But yeah, as you can see, it's staying on now. And they're ice cold. Alright, good to go.